Are you tired of feeling like a zombie on Monday mornings? Struggling to shake off the weekend and get back into the groove? Do you find yourself constantly playing catch-up, never quite able to get ahead? If so, then you'll love this video, because we're going to show you the secret to a successful Sunday reset. This simple yet powerful strategy will help you start your week off right, leaving you feeling refreshed, focused, and energized. Are you ready to transform your Sundays and level up your life? Then, let's get started. The benefits of a Sunday reset. Improved physical and mental health. We all know that a healthy body and mind are the keys to success in any area of life, and a Sunday reset can give you both. By taking the time to reset on Sunday, you're giving yourself the gift of increased energy and focus. Imagine waking up on Monday mornings feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle anything that's thrown at you. It's like having a superhero power, and it's all thanks to your commitment to a Sunday reset. But it's not just about feeling good on Monday. A Sunday reset can also help reduce stress and anxiety. We all have a tendency to worry about the future and dwell on the past. But a Sunday reset gives us the opportunity to let go of that worry and focus on the present. By taking time to reflect and plan on Sunday, you're setting yourself up for a more peaceful and stress-free week ahead. It's like a little mini vacation that you give yourself every Sunday. Now, don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself. You'll feel the difference right away, and you'll be thanking me in the comment section. Improved productivity and organization. Can you imagine what it would feel like to have crystal clear priorities for the coming week? No more feeling overwhelmed or unsure of where to start. By taking the time to reflect and plan on Sunday, you'll be able to set clear priorities for the week ahead. And here's the best part. You'll be able to tackle them with increased motivation and focus. With a Sunday reset, you'll have a clear view of what you need to accomplish, which will make it easier to breeze through your to-do list and crush your goals, leaving your competitors in the dust. So, don't be a spectator. Get in the driver's seat and take control of your life this week. Improved relationships. By taking the time to reset on Sunday, you're giving yourself the gift of self-care and reflection. When you take care of yourself, you're able to be a better partner, friend, and family member. This self-care time can help reduce stress and improve your mood, which in turn makes you more pleasant to be around with. But it's not just about you. A Sunday reset can also help increase your ability to be present with others. We've all been guilty of being preoccupied with our own thoughts or staring at our phones instead of paying attention to the person in front of us. A Sunday reset allows us to put our devices down and focus on being in the present moment with those around us. Imagine this. Instead of just going through the motions, you'll be able to truly connect with the people in your life. Your relationships will flourish, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Your loved ones will thank you, and trust me, they'll notice the change. Improved overall well-being. By taking the time to reset on Sunday, you're giving yourself the gift of a sense of accomplishment. The feeling of getting things done and being organized is undeniable. It's like a hit of dopamine straight to the brain. But it's not just about crossing things off your to-do list. A Sunday reset also gives you a renewed sense of purpose. When you take the time to reflect on your goals and priorities, you're reminded of what's truly important to you. And with that renewed sense of purpose, you'll find yourself feeling more fulfilled and satisfied in your life. Imagine feeling like you're living your best life every single day. That's the power of a Sunday reset. It's like having your own personal life coach, except you don't have to spend a fortune on therapy sessions. How to do a Sunday reset. Reflect on the past week. Now that we've talked about all the amazing benefits of a Sunday reset, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of how to do it. The first step is to reflect on the past week. It's important to understand what worked, what didn't, and what you want to do differently moving forward. This reflection will help you identify your successes and challenges and fast-track your progress towards crushing your goals. Now don't worry, you don't have to spend hours journaling. Just take a few minutes to reflect on the past week. Ask yourself, what went well, what didn't go well, and what did I learn. It's like a weekly self-review, and it's a great way to track your progress. Think of it as weekly wins and lessons learned. Meeting with yourself where you'll be able to identify what worked and what didn't so you can adjust your strategy for the upcoming week. Plan for the coming week. Once you've reflected on the past week, it's time to plan for the coming week. This is where the magic happens. You get to set clear priorities for the week ahead and schedule time for self-care and reflection. By setting clear priorities, you're able to focus on what's truly important and make sure you're making progress towards your goals. But it's not just about productivity. You should also schedule time for self-care and reflection, whether it's going for a walk, reading a book, or taking a yoga class. Just make sure you're taking care of yourself. This time is essential for maintaining your physical and mental well-being and will help you be more effective and efficient in the rest of your life. Think of it as strategic planning. You'll be able to make the most of your time, and you'll be able to focus on what's important to you. Take action. This is where it all comes together. It's time to implement your plan and hold yourself accountable. By implementing your plan, you're setting yourself up for success. By holding yourself accountable, you're ensuring that you're making progress towards your goals. Think of it like a personal trainer. You have a plan and a schedule, but you need to follow through with it and make sure you're staying on track. And it's not just about holding yourself accountable. It's also about being flexible. Life is unpredictable, and things may change. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan and adapt as necessary. The important thing is that you're taking action and making progress towards your goals. So don't procrastinate. Don't make excuses. Just do it, like Nike says. A Sunday reset is the ultimate tool for improving your physical and mental health, productivity, relationships, and overall well-being. By reflecting on the past week, planning for the coming week, and taking action, you can make the most of your time, achieve your goals, and live your best life. I challenge you to try a Sunday reset for yourself. It's a small investment of your time that will pay off in the long run. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Give it a shot and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can watch more motivating and educational content that will help you succeed in the modern world we live in. Thank you and have a blessed day.